हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी। वेलकम टू द चैनल। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द वन लाइनर्स ऑफ स्पीडी फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी 2025। नाउ द वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस वन लाइनर्स इज गोइंग टू बी कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट। जैसे कि आप सभी व्यूअर्स ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है मेरे इस वे को, विच आई कॉल एज माइंड मैप, जिसमें कि हम क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल रीड दी वन लाइनर्स एंड देन उस स्टेट या उस वन लाइनर से रिलेटेड जो भी करेंट अफेयर एंड स्टैटिक है दैट आई ऑल्सो टेल यू। इससे होता क्या है, अ माइंड मैप इज क्रिएटेड इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू रिवाइज एंड लर्न थिंग मोर क्विकली। ठीक है, आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छे से याद हो जाएंगी, रिटेंशन पावर आपकी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी। जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो फॉर 5 to 6 minutes एंड यू विल गेट टू नो कि कितना एफिशिएंट तरीका है ये। ठीक है, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद दी रिवर्स ऑर्डर में चलते हैं हम। जनवरी 1 2025 से वी विल गो इन द रिवर्स ऑर्डर एंड कंप्लीट टिल दिसंबर 2024। ठीक है, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। वेयर हैज़ द फर्स्ट वाइन प्रोडक्शन यूनिट बीन स्टार्टेड on 30th December 2024? So Uttarakhand में first wine production unit has been started. Now I am going to tell you some of the important current affairs which are related to Uttarakhand for the past 1.5 years. Uttarakhand has become the first state to implement a law that is called UCC, Uniform Civil Code. If I talk about the Uniform Civil Code, this is mentioned under Article 44 of the Constitution, which is also a directive principle of state policy. Second important news या current affairs about Uttarakhand is Uttarakhand has introduced a yoga policy. Next, if I talk about Uttarakhand, Uttarakhand is going to host 38th national games this year. ठीक है, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द 37th नेशनल गेम्स तो इट वॉज होस्टेड बाई गोवा। ठीक है, नो अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन इज दैट जस्टिस रितु बारी हैज़ बिकेम द फर्स्ट वुमेन चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ उत्तराखंड। ओके, नाउ उत्तराखंड से इम्पॉर्टेंट ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि चाइना शेयर्स बॉर्डर विद उत्तराखंड. Also, some of the passes that are very important in the state of Uttarakhand are Mana Pass, Niti, Lipulekh, sorry, not Niti, Lipulekh, Limpuadhara. These are the places in Uttarakhand, and Kalapani. All these places are disputed territory. Kalapani, Lipulekh and Limpuadhara, these three are disputed territory and has been used since last 1.5 years. This is disputed territory between India and Nepal, and Mana Pass is in Uttarakhand. Okay, so Uttarakhand ke regarding we have studied all the MCQs. Now important current affairs. Now let's move to the next one liner, that is who has topped the test all-rounder ranking. So Ravindra Jadeja. If I talk about the cricket, the World T20 Cricket 2024 का was won by India by defeating South Africa. If I talk about the Women's Asia Cup, it was won by Sri Lanka by defeating India. ठीक है, now next is who has topped the T20 all-rounders ranking? Hardik Pandya. Next is how many medals has India won in the Asian Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championship? 33 medals have been won, and this was hosted in Doha, Qatar. Now if I talk about कतर एंड इंडिया, तो इन दोनों के बीच में एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रोर ऑफ द सी एक्सरसाइज. ऑल्सो कतर के बारे में यू शुड नोट दैट द कतर इज अ मेंबर ऑफ गल्फ कोऑपरेशन काउंसिल एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज. एंड दिस ओपेक यू नीड टू नो, ओपेक का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है, तो ये है ऑस्ट्रिया के वियना में. ठीक है, तो आपका यहाँ मैंने कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस भी रिवाइज करा दी एंड कतर से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन भी आपको बता दी. नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड. वुमेन्स कबड्डी वर्ल्ड कप ऑफ 2025 विल बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर इज बिहार के राजगीर स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी में. सो बिहार के रिगार्डिंग बहुत सारी करंट अफेयर्स हैं, तो लेट अस सी दिस करंट अफेयर. सबसे पहला तो हमने अभी देख लिया, वुमेन्स कबड्डी वर्ल्ड कप इज गोइंग टू बी ऑर्गेनाइज. सेकेंड इज खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स. खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स of 2025 is going to be organized in Bihar. Secondly, first dry port of Bihar has currently been in operation, and this is in Bihta, that is in Patna. Next important thing, Bihar has got its second tiger reserve, जिसका फाउंडेशन होने वाली है कैमूर में. If I talk about the first tiger reserve and the only tiger reserve of Bihar, that is Valmiki Tiger Reserve in West Champaran. Next again, 2 Ramsar sites have been added recently in Bihar, which name is Nagi and Nakti Wildlife Sanctuary. तो ये सारी information about Bihar you need to know. Okay, I hope the things ऐसे मैं लिंक करके आपको बता रहा हूँ, तो this is helping you a lot. Okay, now let us now move to the next one-liners. Who has launched the Suposhit Gram Panchayat Abhiyan? So it was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next is, the sacrifice and bravery of Sahibzadas of Guru Gobind Singh will be included in the curriculum of which state? Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Now let me tell you some of the important current affairs regarding Madhya Pradesh. सबसे पहला तो पार्थ योजना has been launched by the state. पार्थ योजना, एंड ये पार्थ योजना किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड है? इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू करियर इन डिफेंस एंड लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट. नाउ सेकेंडली, सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ is MP is designated as the global destination by Wall Street Journal. Wall Street Journal has designated Madhya Pradesh as the global destination. Next important news is केन बेतवा लिंक प्रोजेक्ट. अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में आता है कि केन बेतवा लिंक प्रोजेक्ट इज इन विच स्टेट, तो यू विल आंसर कि ये मध्य प्रदेश में है. नेक्स्ट इज मध्य प्रदेश के रिगार्डिंग दैट द जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया GSI हैज़ लॉन्च्ड अ म्यूजियम इन ग्वालियर. ठीक है, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. नाउ द फेस ऑफ MP टूरिज्म किसे अपॉइंट किया गया है रिसेंटली? सो पंकज त्रिपाठी को अपॉइंट किया गया है. आई होप कि आप ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशंस को कहीं नोट कर रहे होगे. अगर नोट नहीं कर रहे हो तो मल्टीपल टाइम्स आप इसको देख लेना, आपकी बहुत हेल्प हो जाएगी. देन अगेन मध्य प्रदेश इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट सोलर फ्लोटिंग प्रोजेक्ट, ये कहाँ पे इनॉग्रेट किया गया है? दिस हैज़ बीन इनॉग्रेटेड इन ओमकारेश्वर. नेक्स्ट इज कंट्रीज फर्स्ट पेपरलेस इलेक्शंस हैज़ बीन कंडक्टेड बाय द मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट, एंड इनिशिएटिव बैगलेस स्कूल इनिशिएटिव हैज़ ऑल्सो बीन initiated by the Madhya Pradesh government. So this all information is really important regarding the Madhya Pradesh, जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. Now let's see the next current affairs, that is President Draupadi Murmu has awarded how many children with the Prime Minister National Bal Puraskar? So 17 children को ये award मिला है. Where has the Hockey India League 2024-2025 started? So it has started in Odisha. Now let us cover important current affairs regarding Odisha. सारा कुछ इसी में कवर हो जाएगा. सबसे पहले Odisha has declared unseasonal days as natural calamity. जब अनसीजनल डेज होते हैं, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेसिव रेनफॉल होती है, या अनसीजनल जो सीज़न चल रहा है उस हिसाब से डेज बिल्कुल रिवर्स है, विच इज़ डायरेक्टली हार्मिंग द फार्मिंग एंड एग्रीकल्चर, देन उसको उन अनसीजनल डेज को ओडिशा हैज़ कंसिडर्ड एज ए नेचुरल कैलेमिटी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज ओडिशा हैज़ डेजिग्नेटेड 6 सुनामी रेडी विलेजेस बाय यूनेस्को. 6 सुनामी रेडी विलेजेस यूनेस्को ने डेजिग्नेट किए हैं ओडिशा में. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ इज़ रिगार्डिंग मनकाडिया कम्युनिटी. ये हमारे ओडिशा की कम्युनिटी है विच हैज़ बीन इन न्यूज़. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्कीम इज़ सुभद्रा स्कीम which is related to financial help to the women. Subhadra scheme has been launched by the Odisha government. Also the first silicon carbide factory, ये कहाँ है? ये है हमारे उड़ीसा में. ठीक है. सो उड़ीसा के रिगार्डिंग ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे करंट अफेयर्स थे जिनको आपको ध्यान में रखना है. Next is who has been appointed as the new revenue secretary in the finance ministry. Correct answer is Arunish Chawla. Next is where will Divyang Cricket Championship trophy held? So this is going to be held in Sri Lanka. अब श्रीलंका के रिस्पेक्ट में इम्पॉर्टेंट है exercise that is conducted between India and Sri Lanka, that is SLEE-NEX exercise. If I talk about the other thing, तो India's first international cruise vessel ये ऑपरेट हुआ है फ्रॉम इंडिया टू श्रीलंका, जिसका नाम क्या है, MV एम्प्रेस. तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज बाल्ड ईगल हैज बिकम द नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ विच कंट्री? करेक्ट इज USA. ऑल्सो USA से रिगार्डिंग इस साल इंपॉर्टेंट है, 47th प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका कौन बने हैं? ये बने हैं हमारे डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जी. एंड Donald Trump hails from which party? He belongs to the Conservative Party. Sorry, not Conservative, Republican Party. ठीक है. Now, next, let's move to the next thing. That is which medal has Martina Devi Maibam won in the Asian Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championship? तो silver medal. Next is according to the report released on 20th December, India has achieved a reduction of how many % cases in malaria? 97% reduction in malaria cases has been registered. Now, next is which country has become the largest recipient of remittances? So, India has become the largest recipient and second largest जो है वो कौन है? Second largest हमारा मेक्सिको है, ठीक है. I hope the thing is clear. Next is हमारा लेट अस सी सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट रैंकिंग्स रिगार्डिंग इंडिया. इंडिया का रैंक देख लेते हैं डिफरेंट इंडेक्सेस में. सबसे पहला तो इनोवेशन इंडेक्स की मैं बात करूं, ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी लिख रहा हूं, सो आप वीडियो को रिपीट करके देख सकते हो. 39th रैंक है इंडिया का. ये सारे के सारे रैंकिंग ऑफ द ईयर 2024 है. देन क्लाइमेट चेंज परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स में इंडिया का रैंक 10th है. देन इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स, इंडिया का रैंक 105th है. If I talk about और कौन सा इंडेक्स है, yes, पासपोर्ट इंडेक्स विच इज़ रिलीज बाई हेनलीज पासपोर्ट इंडेक्स, इंडिया का रैंक है 82nd. ग्लोबल जेंडर गैप इंडेक्स में इंडिया का रैंक 129th है. और कौन सा इंडेक्स बचा? ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स में इंडिया का रैंक 134th है. एक और इंडेक्स है जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी इंडेक्स. दिस आर सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट इंडेक्स जिसमें इंडिया का रैंक 108th है. तो ये इंडिया के रैंक्स आपको ध्यान में होने चाहिए. Which state has become the 5th state to provide 100% piped water to rural household? तो ये है पंजाब. Also पंजाब में मेटल मिला है which is known as tantalum, which was discovered by the scientist of IIT Roper, and this has been found in Satluj River. It is a highly corrosion resistive matter, ठीक है. So ये important है, ये याद रखना, ये पंजाब से मिला है, ठीक है. Now again let's start. Which state has been included in the go to global destinations for 2025 by Wall Street Journal? अभी मैंने मध्य प्रदेश के बारे में ये चीज़ बताई थी ना आपको, देखो उसी पे वन लाइनर आ गया, तो ये हमने ऑलरेडी कवर किया है. नेक्स्ट इज Kilauea volcano erupted on 26 December. Where is the volcano located? So this volcano is located in Hawaii Island. Now USA. अब मैं कुछ वॉल्केनोज की अगर बात करूं तो माउंट, अगर किलिमंजारो की मैं बात करूं तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए दैट द माउंट किलिमंजारो इज़ इन अफ्रीका. अफ्रीका में भी तंजानिया में है ये. इसके अलावा यू शुड नो अबाउट माउंट फूजी या माउंट फूजियामा. इट इज़ इन जापान. माउंट मेरापी के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए. माउंट मेरापी इज़ इन Indonesia. And if I talk about the Barren volcano, ये डॉर्मेंट वॉल्केनो है ऑफ अंडमान एंड निकोबार एंड इट इज़ इन इंडिया, ठीक है. ये कुछ वॉल्केनोज के नाम आपको पता होने चाहिए. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह पास्ड अवे ऑन 26 दिसंबर 2024. व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ हिज ऑटोबायोग्राफी? Now Changing India is the name of the autobiography and पद्म विभूषण रहे हैं हमारे प्रधानमंत्री क्या बोलते हैं, डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह, ही ऑल्सो वॉज द 15th गवर्नर ऑफ द RBI. ठीक है. Now let's move to the next thing, that is who topped the ICC test bowler ranking. जसप्रीत बुमराह ने टॉप किया है. Which medal did शाहू तुषार माने win in the senior national shooting championship in Bhopal? गोल्ड मेडल मिला है. Then again, where did the Prime Minister Modi lay the foundation stone of the Ken Betwa link project? Madhya Pradesh. Who has become the India's first zero waste airport? That is Indore. Also Indore has topped in स्वच्छता रैंकिंग, दैट इज स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के अंदर में जो रैंकिंग्स इशूड होती हैं उसमें टॉप में इंदौर है एंड सेकंड में सूरत है. दिस यू नीड टू नो. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग, दैट इज वेयर हैज़ द स्टैचू ऑफ फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी अनवील्ड? तो ये लखनऊ में अनवील किया गया है. नाउ जब लखनऊ की बात आ गई है तो लेट अस नाउ टॉक अबाउट सब इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स रिगार्डिंग उत्तर प्रदेश. सबसे पहला इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ क्या है कि उत्तर प्रदेश हैज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एन एरोस्पेस एंड डिफेंस पॉलिसी. दिस इज अ न्यू पॉलिसी विच हैज़ बिन ब्रॉट अप बाय द उत्तर प्रदेश. Second important thing is Uttar Pradesh has launched a new initiative, माँ की रसोई initiative. Third important is Uttar Pradesh has become the first state to fully implement government e-marketplace. This is an online platform for trading of government things. Okay. Then again, Uttar Pradesh has launched world's first Asian king vulture conservation center. Then Uttar Pradesh has first rank in compressed biogas production. ठीक है. So this is all of the important information regarding Uttar Pradesh. Now next है हमारा which country's cargo ship has sunk in the Mediterranean Sea after an explosion? Correct answer is Russia. Now which space agency's Parker solar probe has tried to reach the closest to the sun? NASA. Now sun की अगर बात हो रही है तो इसरो इस साल बहुत important है. Why? Because of its Aditya L1 mission. And what is Aditya L1 mission? It is related to study of the कोरोना लेयर ऑफ द सन, दैट इज द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द सन. तो सन के स्टडी के लिए ये मिशन है आदित्य L1. ऑल्सो इसरो हैज लॉन्च्ड अनदर मिशन, एक्सपोसैट मिशन. ठीक है. टू स्टडी द एक्स रेज इन द कॉस्मिक वर्ल्ड और द स्पेस. ठीक है. नाउ हु विल होस्ट द वुमेन्स कबड्डी वर्ल्ड कप इन 2025? बिहार. Where has the 100 days TB eradication campaign been launched? It has been launched in Punjab. Which country's highest award has been given to the Indian businessman Ravi Pillai? Bahrain ने मिला है दिया award. Next is where has the country's first digital museum opened? So it has been opened in Maharashtra. Now Maharashtra के regarding कुछ important current affairs देख लेते हैं. First of all, Maharashtra has become the first state to introduce an AI policy. Also AI museum has been set up by Maharashtra. Then a Guillain-Barré syndrome, ये एक नई बीमारी है दैट हैज़ बिन जिसके केसेस रिपोर्ट हुए हैं महाराष्ट्र में. एंड इसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए दैट Guillain-Barré syndrome इज़ एन ऑटो इम्यून कंडीशन जिसमें क्या होता है, द सेल्स ऑफ योर ओन बॉडी किल्स हेल्दी सेल्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. ठीक है. they mistakenly considered your healthy body cells as the vital cells that has been infected and automatically they starts killing their own cells. ठीक है. so ये बीमारी has widely been reported in the Maharashtra state. so ये इसके बारे में आपको थोड़ा knowledge होना चाहिए. next is who has stopped the network readiness index? तो America has launched it. Which Gulf country has officially reopened its embassy in Syria? तो कतर ने reopen किया है. Next is हमारा where has Dr. Ambedkar scholarship been started for Dalit student? ये दिल्ली में start हुई है. Which country has won the ICC Under-19 Women's T20 Asia Cup? इंडिया ने. India's first bio-bitumen national highway was inaugurated in Nagpur. Next again आ गया हमारा, the central government has approved 47 ethanol projects for loan subsidy in which state? तो बिहार. Prime Minister Modi received the highest honor of which country? कुवैत का highest honor मिला है. Then comes where has the third season of the World Tennis League concluded? अबू धाबी में conclude हुआ है. Who has been awarded as the Medical Excellence Award in the UK House of Commons? Ravindran Kumaran. Next is who has won the title of men's 50-meter rifle 3 position? Kiran Ankush Jadhav. Shri Ram Mandir projects has been awarded the Sword of Honor by which country? Britain ने ऑर्डर किया है. Who has been appointed as the President of the United States Nations International Justice Council? Madan Lokor. Now, where was the 72nd plenary sessions of the National Eastern Council held? It was held in Agartala. Next is who will host the World Boxing Congress in 2025? So India will hold it. Next is which state government has launched the Sanjeevani Yojana for citizens above the 60 years of age? It is Delhi. Where was the 11th summit of the Developing Eight Economic Cooperation Organization held? ये हुई थी इजिप्ट में. What position has India achieved in the World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index? 39th. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बता दिया है. एंड इनोवेशन इंडेक्स में भी इंडिया का 39th ही रैंक था. Next is where was the 24th BIMSTEC meeting held? It was held in Thailand. And if I talk about the ASEAN Summit of 2024, तो ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. It was held in Laos. ठीक है. Now let's proceed to the next page. That is, who will host the World Para Athletics Championship of 2025? India is the correct answer. Who has become the first person to reach 500 billion net worth? Elon Musk. Next is in which state Banglar Bari housing scheme has been started? So ये है correct answer is West Bengal. अब वेस्ट बंगाल से रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स में आपको बताता हूँ. हेरिटेज टूरिज्म में वेस्ट बंगाल हैज़ बीन डिक्लेयर्ड द विनर बाय यूनेस्को. ठीक है. सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट thing is about the Aparajita bill, which is an anti-rape bill which was introduced in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. इसके अलावा if I talk about Shanti Niketan, it was designated as the 41st heritage site of India. Also, Maya and Sultan गंज पोर्ट इज़ इन न्यूज़ क्योंकि ये हमारे वेस्ट बंगाल एंड बांग्लादेश के बीच में है. ठीक है. सो वेस्ट बंगाल के रिगार्डिंग ये सारी इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ वेयर इज़ द इंडियन मेंस टीम रैंक्ड इन द वर्ल्ड हॉकी रैंकिंग? 5th रैंक मिला है. अगेंस्ट विच टीम डिड द इंडियन वुमेन्स टीम स्कोर इट्स हाईएस्ट स्कोर इन T20I क्रिकेट? वेस्ट इंडीज़. Next is where was the Asian Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championship of 2024 organized? दोहा में ऑर्गेनाइज हुई थी. Next is who has been awarded the National Tansen Samman of 2023? Correct is Swapan Chaudhary. Next is which country's astronaut have set the record for longest spacewalk? China ने रिकॉर्ड सेट किया है. Also China has launched its own space station and स्पेस स्टेशन का नाम क्या है? इसका नाम है तियांगोंग 1. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज हु हैज़ बीन अवॉर्डेड द साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड ऑफ 2024? करेक्ट इज गगन गिल. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट वन लाइनर, दैट इज अबाउट गुजरात. विच स्टेट मसाली विलेज हैज़ बिकम द कंट्रीज फर्स्ट बॉर्डर विलेज टू रन ऑन सोलर एनर्जी? तो ये गुजरात में है. नाउ लेट अस सी सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स रिगार्डिंग द स्टेट गुजरात. सबसे पहले Gujarat has designated its first biodiversity site which is an inland mangrove and ये जगह का नाम क्या है? So the name of the place is Guneri. Next important is first coastal bird census. ये भी गुजरात ने कंडक्ट करवाया है रिसेंटली. एंड देन फर्स्ट यूनियन सेमीकंडक्टर असेंबली प्लांट हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड इन गुजरात। इसके अलावा घरचोला हैज़ बीन डेजिग्नेटेड एज अ जीआई टैग, जो कि गुजरात का है। ठीक है। Who has been honored with the UNEP's Lifetime Achievement Award of 2024? Madhav Gadgil. Which state has stopped in installing solar power on roof? Gujarat. Who has been made the brand ambassador for Kho World Cup 2025? Salman Khan. Who won the Miss India USA 2024 title? Kaithleen Sandra Neal. Next is, where was the world's largest cattle slaughter festival Gadhi Mahi celebrated? It was celebrated in Nepal. Next is, which Indian veteran cricketer has announced his retirement from international cricket? That is Ravichandran Ashwin. Which country's Vinicius Junior has won the FIFA's Best Men's Award of 2024? This is Brazil. Who has won both the FIDE Under-18 Youth Rapid and Blitz title? Pranav Venkatesh. Where has India organized Ganga River dolphin tagging for the first time? Assam. Next is, who has secured second place in the QS World University Rankings? It is IIT Kharagpur. Which country has announced to make a cancer vaccine? This is Russia. Which word has been declared as the Cambridge Dictionary Word of the Year? The word's name is manifest. In which city of India giving alms to beggar will be a crime from 1st January? It is Indore. Now, next is, on 18th December, the joint naval exercise Linux has started between India and which country? It is between India and Sri Lanka. Where did Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurated India's first geoscience museum? It is in Visakhapatnam. Where was Gujarat's first semiconductor assembly and testing plant inaugurated? It was inaugurated in Surat. Argentina President Javier Milei has been granted citizenship of which country? तो इटली की citizenship मिली है उनको. Which country has offered visa-free travel for Indians till 2025? It is Russia. Who has been awarded the Jamshedji Tata Award? Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Whose novel Kaun Desh Ko Vasi Venu Ki Diary has been selected for 34th Vyas Samman? It is Suryabala. Who has become the third largest smartphone exporter in the world? It is India. Earlier, India was second largest smartphone manufacturer. Who has implemented the code of conduct for the first time on online security? It is Britain. Nate Skewer-Brunt, who scored the fastest century in ICC Women's Test Cricket, is player of which country? So, she is a player of England. Where has the 10th International Forest Festival started? It has started in Bhopal. Where has the new survey ship INS Nirdeshak been inducted into the Indian Navy? So, it was inducted in Visakhapatnam. Where did the Indian Navy launch the Sampark 4.0 initiative? So, the initiative was launched in Maharashtra. Mount Semeru volcano of which country erupted? तो ये इंडोनेशिया का है. Which country has tested Dark Eagle anti-missile system successfully? It is USA. Who has won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy of 2024? It is Mumbai. Who has become the 12th member of the Trans-Pacific Trade Agreement? It is Britain. Next is, Desert Night War exercise has started in the Arabian Sea between India, France and which country? So, it is between India, France and UAE. Where has India's first diabetes biobank been established? It is established in Chennai. Who has unveiled India's first yoga policy to become a global yoga center? Uttarakhand. अभी जब मैं आपको वन लाइनर्स बता रहा था, additional information about the one liners, so I have already taught you this. Where will India's first cargo hub be built? It will be built in Noida. Who has joined ISA as the 105th member? It is Moldova. Next is, who has unveiled Gencast for weather forecasting? It is Google. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and signed an agreement with whom for 12 Sukhoi 30 aircraft? It is the HAL. Now, next is, RBI has decided to increase the limit of agricultural loan without collateral from 1,60,000 to how much? So the limit has been raised to 2 lakh rupees. Next is who has won the Women Junior Asia Hockey Cup of 2024? So it was won by India. Indian Postal Telecommunication Accounts and Finance Service celebrated which Foundation Day? So 50th Foundation Day was celebrated. Who tops the list of the world 25 richest family released by Bloomberg? It is the Walton that topped. How many Indian women have been included in the Forbes list of 100 most powerful women? So 3 Indians have been included. In which state the 21st livestock census has been started? It is Haryana. Which country has suspended most favored nation favored status to the India? So it is Switzerland. Where will the Suraj Kund Mela of 2025 be organized? So it will be organized in Faridabad. Where did the 23rd National Athletics Championship for 2024 for the blind start? So it is going to be started in Nadiad, Gujarat. Where has the 10th World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo been organized? So it has been organized in Dehradun. Next is 22nd Divyakala Mela has been organized in Delhi. Where will the playoff tournament of the FIFA Football Women's World Cup of 2027 be held? So it will be held in Brazil. By when will India establish its own space station? So the target is 2035. Next is who has unveiled the revolutionary quantum chip Willow? So it has been launched by Google. Who will host the 2034 Men's FIFA World Cup? So it will be hosted by Saudi Arabia. President Draupadi Murmu honored the army chief of which country with honorary rank of the General of the Indian Army? So नेपाल के जनरल को ये दिया गया है. The 9th defense dialogue between India and which country has been held in New Delhi? So it is India and Thailand. Who will host the Khelo India Winter Games in 2025? It is Ladakh. Next is who has been chosen as a person of year by the prestigious Time magazine? This is Donald Trump. Who has been selected as the ICC Player of the Month for November 2024? It is Haris Rauf and Danny Watt Hodge. Who has become the first female cricketer to score 4 one-day centuries in a calendar year? This is Priti Mandhana. Next is who has become the youngest world chess champion? It is D. Gukesh. Next is who has released in his book The Secret of Dalai Lama's Happiness? That is Dr. Dinesh Sahara. Which position has India secured in the Asian Women's Handball Championship? 6th position. Next is the Guruvayur temple that was in news is located in which state? So it is in Kerala. Who has been appointed by Gujarat Giants as their bowling coach? Praveen Tambe. Where has a new species of damselfish has been found recently? So it is found in Maldives. Who has topped in India in the QS World University Rankings? It is IIT Delhi. Next is who has received the 2024 Champions of the Earth Award? So the award has been given to Madhav Gadgil. Who has become the first state to fully implement the central government's e-marketplace? That is Uttar Pradesh. I have already told you this when I was explaining the current affairs for the state of Uttar Pradesh. Who has been appointed by Donald Trump as the Assistant Attorney General for Civil Rights? It is Harmeet Dillon. When has CM Bhajanlal announced to celebrate Pravasi Rajasthani Day? It is on the 10th December. Next is where will Eagle Nest Bird Festival be held? So it will be held in Arunachal Pradesh. UNICEF Foundation Day celebrated on 11th December. Who has won the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix? So it has been won by Landy Norris. Who has been awarded the JC Daniel Award of 2023? So Shaji and Karun is the right answer. Who has been recognized as the emerging star woman leader in the banking sector? Correct is Bharti Kohli. INS Tushil will be inducted into the Indian Navy, has been built with the cooperation of which country? So it has been built with the cooperation of Russia. Who has become the 2024 Women's Tennis Association Player of the Year? That is Aryna Sabalenka. Which word has been declared by Merriam-Webster as the word of the year 2024? It is the word polarization. Next is, to which country has India sent 2200 metric ton of rice? Correct is Myanmar. Who has won the Crossword Books Prize? It has been won by KGS Dhillon. Who has been appointed as the new governor of RBI? Sanjay Manotra. Where has the Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Bima Sakhi Yojana? So it has been launched in Panipat. Which US state has declared 6th December as Mahatma Gandhi Smriti Divas? So Nebraska, US state has declared it. Where did Union Home Minister Amit Shah unveil the statue of Sardar Patel? So it was unveiled at Jodhpur. How much has the sex ratio in the country increased from 980? So the sex ratio has been increased from 19 to 930. Now next is, who has won the PSU Transformation Award on Innovation? सो इसका करेक्ट क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? इसका करेक्ट था ऑन द लास्ट पे, सेकी हैज वॉन दिस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज हमारा, वेयर हैव द हाइएस्ट नंबर ऑफ मोबाइल malware attacks been found? It has been found in India. Who has been declared the best airline in 2024 ranking of Air Health? So Brussels Airlines has been declared. Who has won the second consecutive Under-19 Asia Cup? So it was won by Bangladesh. Where has the Urja Veer Yojana been launched? So it was launched in Vijayawada. Which state government will launch maize flour named Himbhog? So it is going to be launched by Himachal Pradesh. Who launched the PME Vidya DTH channel on 7th December? So it is going to be launched by Dharmendra Pradhan. It was launched by Dharmendra Pradhan. World Meditation Day is going to be celebrated on 21st December. Where has HUDCO launched the Uphar Milk program to tackle malnutrition? So it was launched in the state of Chhattisgarh. Who has been appointed as the coach of Under-20 and Under-17 women's football team? Joachim Alexanderson. Who has been appointed as the head of the NASA by Donald Trump? Jared Isaacman ने अपॉइंट किया गया है. Which IIT has prepared India's first Hyperloop test track? It is IIT Madras. Who will receive the Indira Gandhi Award of 2024? Veronica Bachelet. Next is, who has become the theme country of the 30th Kolkata International Film Festival? It is France. Which country has been awarded the 2024 ISSA Good Practice Award for Asia and Pacific? It is India. In which state is the Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary located? So this is located in Assam. Who has unveiled the Anna Chakra and Scan portal? So Prahlad Joshi. Where has weightlifting championship of 2024 started? It was started in Bahrain. Where has the third edition of Pustak Kyan book fair organized by Sahitya Academy? It was organized in New Delhi. Which state government has launched phase 1 of the Indrama Awas Yojana? Telangana is the correct answer. Where has the India's first vertical lift bridge been built? So it has been built in Rameshwaram. Next is, where has 9th edition of the International Conference on Waste to Recycle Technology been organized? So it was organized in New Delhi. Who has received the Britain's prestigious Turner Prize? So it was received by Jasleen Kaur. Who won the title of Men's Junior Hockey Asia Cup of 2024? So it was won by India. Which country will host the Blind Women T20 World Cup in 2025? So India will host this. First, which has become the first state in India to fully implement 3 criminal laws? So it is Chandigarh. Which country has opened the first atmospheric monitoring center in Antarctica? So it is China. Next is, which Indian player has won the bronze medal in the e-football event of the Asian Esports Games? So it is Pawan Kampeli. Next is, who has been approved by the central government to be made a judge of Supreme Court? Justice Manmohan. Which space agency Proba 3 mission has been launched by ISRO? It is the European Space Agency. Which portal did the government launch for fair trade and consumer protection? The name of the portal is eMap. Where has the Asia's first water transport service, Uber Shikara, has been launched? So it was launched in Dal Lake. Next is, Who won the Esther Guardians Global Nursing Award of 2024? It is Maria Victor Juan. Which word has been declared by Oxford University as the word of the year? So the name of the word is brain rot. Who has got the tag of the World Craft City? It is Srinagar. Madhav National Park has become the 9th tiger reserve of which state? So Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state has been declared as top destination for heritage tourism by UNESCO? So the name of the state is West Bengal. Who has won the men's single title in Syed Modi International Badminton Tournament? It is Lakshya Sen. Now, next is the 4th edition of the joint military exercise Harimu Shakti between India and which country has started on 2nd December? So Harimu Shakti is an exercise between India and Malaysia. Whereas the 16th conference of countries involved in the United Nations Treaty to prevent desertification started. So it started in Riyadh. Next is which country has celebrated its 53rd National Day? It is UAE. Who has become the second Indian chess player to achieve 2800 ELO ratings? It is Arjun Erigasi. Who has become the largest source of FDI in India? It is Singapore. Ratapani has become the 8th tiger reserve of which state? So Madhya Pradesh. And the state government has increased the retirement age of judicial officer from 60 years to 61 years. This is Andhra Pradesh. So in this video, we have completed the update of the month of January 2025 magazine. So you can watch this whole video जिसमें आपका पूरा का पूरा जनवरी तक का कवर हो गया है. If you want to see the videos for the month of December 2025 Speedy, so you can go to the playlist. A video has already been uploaded there last month. Thank you for watching.